Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in learning Python but not sure how to install it on Windows 11, you have come to the right place. Today I will walk you through the entire process step by step in simple terms so that you can start coding easily. So let's get started. So first let's see if Python is already installed on your system or not. Okay. So for that type cmd in the Windows search bar. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. In the command prompt you need to type Python and hit enter. If Python is not installed, the command will redirect you to the Microsoft Store, or you can show a message saying that Python is not recognized. This means Python is not installed on your system yet, so we need to install it manually. Okay, so for that open your browser and type download Python in the search bar. From the search result, click on the Python official website, which is python.org. Once the page is open, you will see that download the latest version for Windows, and it should automatically suggest the latest version, which is Python 3.13.0. Simply click on download Python 3.13.0 to start the download. The Python installer is a very small file, only around 27 MB, so it should download quickly. Once the download is complete, just click on the file to open the installer and begin the setup process. When the installer opens, you will see two important checkboxes at the bottom. Make sure to check the options use admin privilege when installing py.exe. That means every user account on your computer can access Python. Okay, and it will helpful if you have multiple users on the same PC. And also you need to check the options add python.exe to path. That will make sure that Python is accessible from the command line. Then click on the install now button to start the installing Python using its default configuration. As you can see, very quickly it will install to your system. After the installation is complete, you will see setup was successful appear along with an option saying disable path length limit. Disabling the path length limit will allow Python and other programs to use more than 260 characters in a file path. So click on this and finally click close to end the installation. After the installation completes, we need to confirm everything is working. So open command prompt again, and this time you need to type Python space hyphen version and hit enter. This will display the version of Python you just installed. Now type just Python and hit enter to launch Python's interactive shell directly inside command prompt, where you can type simple Python command and you will find 3 arrow. That means you are now inside the Python interactive shell, where you can enter Python commands directly. So now let's try a simple command. Just simply type 1 plus 1 and hit enter, and you will see the output 2, which is the return result. Okay. So now we will open the Python app. The Python app is an easier direct way to access the interactive Python shell without using command prompt. Okay. So you need to just type Python in the start menu and click on the Python 3.13 app that appears, and it will open a black console window similar to the command prompt but only to running Python code. Here you can type simple command and get instant result. For example, once again you need to type 1 plus 1 and hit enter, and you will see the output 2. So use it if you want only Python related commands. Okay. And now let's explore IDLE, which stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Search IDLE in the start menu and open it. IDLE is a graphical interface for Python, where you can write, edit and execute Python program. So let's try a small script here. Okay. So you need to type print welcome to my channel, and after that press enter. or you can press F5 to run the code. Okay, and you should see welcome to my channel printed in the output. Here we can write multiple lines of code also and save them as a Python script. Okay, so this is how you can install Python on Windows 11. I think now you are all set to start your Python journey. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.